Come on, Gabe, do the intro.
So for this video, we're going to...
All right, we're gonna finish up this sign. We're gonna put this pine trim around it. We were gonna miter it with 45s in all the corners and then put a rabbet so we could have it sit just over and have a little bit of inset. We're not gonna do that because we want that rustic kind of chunky look.
I'm not fat, I'm big boned.
But yeah, this should be a pretty simple deal. We're gonna poly it right at the end, put our logo on the back and hangers, and this thing will be out of here. The other project we've been talking about forever is this Benson sign. We finally have the QR code that's dialed in, ready to go. We just have to adhere all the letters, put a final coat of poly on it, and then we're gonna get to that angle iron frame. Now that the welding master Gabe's in the house, should be able to get it done. Starting to look like a frame, huh? Dang. Grinding off all the blemishes. But yeah, we'll take it out, rattle can it, make it black. Then we got to mount the sign into that frame. Just using the stainless pan head. I think these are inch. Yeah, these are inch. And then we're using these acorn nuts to go on the top of it. I think it'll look good. That'll be the one that shows through, that you see when you look at the sign face. That looks like a yard sign frame. What do you think?
It's pretty good to me.
You built it. You have to love it. You're its mom. All right. Poly on. Sweet easel setup for the yard sign spray paint operation in progress. All right guys, she's done finally. I think this thing looks super cool. Use some of these acorn nuts just with some pen head screws to hold it into the frame. Finished up the paint, got the poly on it, and double checked the QR code, works great. Looks like this when you scan it. Pull out your phone, customer walking by, takes a look at the QR code, boom, takes you to the website. I'm gonna do another video on how I use the QRs and how I translate them into a vectored image so that we can actually burn them and they look really good with contrast. But time to deliver this thing. Remember to like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know in the comments what you think. If you have any other ideas or want to see something in future videos. But that's it. Appreciate the watch, guys.
I just wanted to say thanks. I'm glad you came along, partner.